How to download and install the Axis Bank mobile banking app quickly and easily. Whether you want to manage your accounts, transfer funds, or check your balance on the go, this app has got you covered. Now, here's how to download and install the Axis Bank mobile banking app on your smartphone. Depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, here search for Axis Bank mobile banking. Now look for the official Axis Bank mobile banking app in the search result. It should have the Axis Bank logo and published by Axis Bank. Now click on get or install. Depending on your phone, the app will start downloading and installing on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap on open to launch the app. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Axis mobile banking app. Now you can manage your banking needs right from your smartphone.